Hi, I wanted to show you today something I got from Wholesale Supplies. I placed the order primarily for this oil, castor oil, because I was running low. But I also got a few fragrances. Actually, it's just one fragrance. I bought some more Melt and Pour, the clear one. And I got some carrot powder, which I plan to use as a colorant. Supposed to give you a yellow. I've used carrot puree before, but this is my first time trying the powder. Fragrance is orange clove. The orange is very strong in it. Then the clove comes second, which makes sense because orange is a top note, so it's the first thing your nose smells. And then you start detecting the other notes, in this case, the clove. So I'm looking forward to using this. Hi, this is Glenda, and I have here a box from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And I wanted to open it and let you know what I thought of what I'm getting. It's pretty much all fragrances. I'm surprised I haven't opened them before because they arrived about a week ago. Maybe not a week ago, but a few days. Alright. So, I bought a lot of peach type fragrances. Well, not a lot, but at least 2 or 3. Now this is Maple Roasted Southern Peach, which I've actually used before and I liked it. It has, you can smell the peach, but the maple is stronger. So the peach actually you smell that first, and then the sweetness, like it's almost like a caramel, but it says it's roasted and it does have that roasty, smoky sort of scent. Now let me see. And this is Market Peach, which I thought maybe if I combine them together I could have a lasting peach fragrance. Peach is notorious for fading in soap, from what I've read. I cannot smell peach on this though. I'm smelling something similar to almond. Sweet. I'm gonna have to try this one because I'm not getting peach per se right now. And they've been sitting, all these fragrances, in the same spot for a few days. Now this is Pink Grapefruit. And I think I got this one, if I remember correctly, because it's supposed to behave well in soap. Like it's supposed to be slow tracing. I may be wrong, but if I am, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. It smells like grapefruit, alright? Very strong grapefruit. And this is honey. It's a fragrance formulator, which means it's designed to be blended with other notes, but you can also use it by itself. And I'm running low. I already bought it before and I really liked it because it smells like a true honey. So I use this in a lot of blends. Yep, same, just as good as before. And last is Abalone and Sea. I have no idea what this smells like now. I think I bought it because it's supposed to be a well-behaved fragrance, And also because I'm thinking about doing soap with some abalone embeds. It smells clean. At first I was gonna say it's a little bit like men's fragrance, but it's kind of like a neutral smell. It's not bad. It's good. It's hard to describe. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.